Affirmations for a dream luxurious home. Thank you. I bought my new dream house. Thank you. I bought my new dream house. I manifested my own house. I bought all the things and interiors for my home. I'm living a very happy life here. This is my own house. This is my house. I attracted and manifested my own dream luxurious home, and now I am so happy and grateful to the universe. I attracted and manifested my own dream luxurious home, and now I am so happy and grateful to the universe. I manifested my own dream luxurious home and bought all the things and happily living here. I love universe. I bought my own house and paid all the bills and payment and bought all the things for my dream house. My home is very big to stay for my guests. My own house is my heaven. My own house is my heaven. I thank you, universe, for giving me a big place to stay happily. I thank you, universe, for giving me a big place to stay happily. Thank you, I bought my new home. Thank you, I'll live a very happy life in my house. Thank you, I'll live a very happy life in my own house. Thank you for the comforts. I feel so happy. Thank you for my comforts. Thank you for my beautiful home. This is my house. This is my own dream house. I cleared all the payments of my home. Thank you for giving me a beautiful place to live. I built my dream home with my favorite interiors and happily staying here. Thank you. I built my dream home with my favorite interiors and happily staying here. Thank you. My house is very big to stay for my guests. Thank you. This place is heaven. My own house is heaven. This place is my own. This place is heaven. Thank you. I'm grateful to you, universe. Thank you. Love you. Thank you all who share and subscribe. Thank you so much.